Hi, I'm Chris from Sky. If you're having difficulties with your viewing card, this video can help. If the error message says there's a problem with the card, switch off your Sky box by pressing the standby button on your remote. Then, turn the box off at the mains and check that the power light on the box is off. Locate your viewing card and remove it from the slot. Then check it for any damage. With the viewing card removed, switch your Sky box back on at the wall and leave on standby for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, press the Sky button on your remote and choose a Sky channel. You'll see a message on your TV screen asking you to put your viewing card back into your Sky box. Make sure the Sky logo is facing up and the card chip is facing down. After a few moments, the Sky channel will reappear. Another issue you may have is if the card and the box aren't paired. This message might appear if your box has been turned off for a long period of time or if you've recently replaced or upgraded the box. To link your Sky box to your viewing card, you'll need a few details. Press the Services button on your remote. Press the right arrow to highlight Settings. Then press down followed by right to go to System Details. Make a note of your Sky box version number, the 11-digit serial number, your 9-digit viewing card number, and lastly, your receiver ID. Now go to the following website and sign into the Activate My Channels page using your Sky ID. If you don't have a Sky ID, it'll just take a few moments to create one. Once you're signed in, enter the details you noted down from your box and simply click Pair My Card. I'm Chris from Sky. Thank you for watching.